Right guys, here we have a prosafe photoelectric smoke alarm. Now this is the main bedroom, my main one, which I took it off from there, and yeah, I put this on there just in case. But yeah, here's the photoelectric. I did add my replace by date. Where is it? This is the replace by date. Replaced by 2047, yeah, I added a little extra time just in case if I want to actually replace it. I'm actually going to add it to the rest of the alarms in my collection, just in case if they don't have any replace by dates. But the Fire Angel does have a replace by date, which I am surprised. So yeah, this alarm will be featured in part 4 of my smoke alarm collection haul. And yeah, it is working. I got the base out. But yeah, here is photoelectric smoke alarm. Yep, that's the thing. Product code KD/134A. Yep. Introduced. Is that EN? That means introduced, I think. 14604 2005 AC 2008. Use V9Z KCA/ZN/alkaline lithium battery type GP. Yeah, it just uses the lower brand types, and you saw the red light. That means it's working. Caution: test the alarm weekly after the battery replacement. Test the alarm for normal operation using the test faculty. When the battery is replaced, replace the smoke detector after 8 years of use. So yeah, you can actually replace this as a fucking thing. Now I already put my replacement there anyways. So yeah, we're going to be testing these now. I think I do it with one fucking hand. Hang on. Yeah, you heard the click. So, yeah, let's just move it here a bit. So, yeah, there's your light, there's your piezo. But yeah, we're going to test this now. 3, 2, 1. Yep, so that's the smoke alarm. So, yep, that's the smoke alarm. Now, I'm going to hide it like I did my fucking routine and everything like that. So, yeah. That's the smoke alarm. Can't get fucking in it. I have a lot of stuff to put on eBay after I turn 18. But yeah, I'm going to list some stuff on eBay. Like, I'm restoring white blue tag. I actually bought this today. The white blue tag. The white tag. Look at this. The white tag. And I actually bought this today while I was at Tesco. So yeah, I might do a video on it. Hang on. Put you guys here. There we go. That was a loud click. So yep. Here's your fire alarm. And yeah, I did buy this. It was included in a video of me testing it and unboxing it. So yeah, that's the prosafe fire alarm. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Peace out.